We're going to take a look at Flexcards and focus mode in this video. So to find some Flexcards, I'll show you what those are. I'm going to go click on Explore Libraries and then search for Flexcard. You'll notice that nothing comes up in the activities, but if you click on Lessons, a whole bunch will come up. Okay, and so let's just take a look at letter recognition. I click in here. I can present it to class just like I always could, or I can assign it to students. Okay, present it to class, give me a chance to try it myself. I'm going to go right into edit mode here. And I'm going to click on this template. And so now you can see this will record, they've set up a frame here to record my screen and my voice here. Okay, and so they've done that so that when I click on this button, it records as I circle through these flex cards over here. So it says go, so I hit go, right? B, E, S, U, C, Y. And so what's happening is once students click this button and record, they'll see, their teacher will be able to see and hear, see them cycle through these cards and hear them name those letters accurately. And that's kind of how flex cards work. So if I back out here, I'm just going to discard, and I'm going to go back, discard that. Notice that as soon as I start to edit something, it gets saved to my library. I'm going to go back, and then I'll just choose a different one. Dividing by 1. Let's see, let's choose a different one. Final blends, let's go in here. Okay, and you can see, let's see if I can find the flex card in here. I'll check out view as a student just to see where the flex cards are. Right, so this time they don't flex card, just naming the letters. Oh, here are my flex cards. So this time they've built them to be able to build words. Pretty neat. Okay, and so that's how you would find those flex cards. Again, this one doesn't. This one has a record button here, right? So I'm now recording my voice on this one. So I'm going to discard that. I'm going to exit that. If I wanted to record my screen, right, I would have to go into the edit mode. Delete and start over, right? So if I go to edit mode here, and that one was on the 7th slide. So I'm going to click the 7th slide here. And if I wanted to add the screen recording, what I would do is I'd go to frames and add record screen and voice. Okay. And so what I would do is I would just kind of do this. And I might click on this. Ooh. And I might just delete it. Or it's not gonna let me delete it. That's interesting. Oh, right there, I can delete it. Whew, to say. And then I can just replace it with that. So it records the screen and the voice, however I want to do it. When I'm done, I just click the check mark to save, and it's all set to go. And that's Flexcards. Right now we don't have the ability to make our own, but we do have the ability to use the ones that are already created. I want to show one more thing. If I go in to edit mode here, to this one, this is focus mode, so you can do this in any activity, even when you create. So if you click on edit here, and then these 3 dots, you can turn on focus mode, and you can hide all the drawing tools if you wanted to, and you can just give them some of the tools that they might need, right? I can just give them the labeling, the pencil, and the eraser if I want to, and click save. And then when students go into it, you'll see at the bottom they have limited tools. This will prevent students from doing and kind of messing around in Seesaw more than they normally would. And that is Flexcards and focus mode.